Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to cook sweet potatoes porridge. Hope you like it. Sweet potato porridge is rich in dietary fiber and vitamins, which can help promote digestion and enhance immunity. At the same time, it is low in calories and suitable for healthy eating. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredient: rice, sweet potatoes, red dates, corn kernels. Wash rice and set aside. Peel and cubes sweet potatoes. Wash corn kernels. Cut red dates into small pieces. Add all ingredients into rice pot. The ratio of the concentration of porridge to water is usually 1 to 8 to 110. That is, a portion of rice with 8 to 10 parts of water. And the consistency can be adjusted according to personal preferences. Porridge is cooked. This porridge does not need to add salt. It tastes delicious with the sweet taste of red dates and sweet potatoes. Optional to garnish with goji berries. The taste of sweet potato porridge is sweet and mild. The natural sweetness of sweet potato complements the dense taste of rice porridge. It not only has a faint fragrance of the land, but also shows a hint of warm sweetness. It is simple, without losing flavor. It is a heartwarming food full of home flavor. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Sweet potato porridge, a traditional dish that is both nutritious and delicious, has many benefits. Sweet potatoes themselves are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, and dietary fiber, which cannot be ignored in maintaining eyesight, enhancing immunity, antioxidation, and promoting intestinal health. The form of porridge makes the nutrients in sweet potatoes easier to absorb by the human body. At the same time, the mild characteristics of porridge are also suitable for people of all kinds of constitutions. Especially in the cold winter, a bowl of hot sweet potato porridge can not only warm the body and mind, but also provide lasting energy. It is an ideal choice for a healthy breakfast or a relaxed dinner. In short, sweet potato porridge is a simple, healthy, and naturally sweet food, which is suitable for you who pursue a healthy life. Sweet potato porridge is suitable for most people, especially for the following people. 1. People with weak digestive system. Sweet potato porridge is easy to digest and gentle on the stomach. 2. Those who need to control their weight. Low in calories and rich in fiber, which helps to feel full. 3. Diabetics. The fiber in sweet potatoes helps to slowly release sugar, but the right amount should be paid attention to. 4. Those who pursue a healthy diet, rich in vitamins and minerals, which helps to improve overall health. 5. Children and the elderly, nutritious and easy to chew and digest. In a word, sweet potato porridge is a healthy food suitable for a wide range of people. Porridge, this bowl of warm and jade-like food, is a shining pearl in Oriental food culture. It is like water with the tenderness of rice grains, boiled until it is dense, releasing a faint fragrance of rice, just like the first ray of sunshine in the morning, warm and kind. The taste of porridge can be light or rich. It is like a clever painter, which can be matched with various ingredients to draw countless pictures with different flavors. Whether it is adding tender slices of meat, seafood, or with vegetables and beans, porridge can always integrate the essence of various ingredients with its unique inclusiveness, creating a simple and profound taste. In the cold winter, a bowl of hot porridge is a good medicine to dispel the cold. In the hot summer, a bowl of cold porridge is also a good medicine to relieve summer heat. Porridge not only nourishes the body, but also is a kind of comfort for the soul. Porridge itself is a low-fat and low-calorie food, which usually does not directly lead to obesity. Its main ingredients are water and grains, such as rice, which absorb moisture during cooking, expand and soften, forming the dense texture of porridge. Due to the high moisture content of porridge, it can provide a sense of fullness, and the relatively low calorie density helps to control the overall calorie intake. However, whether porridge causes obesity also depends on its ingredients and the way it is eaten. If you add high sugar and high-fat ingredients to porridge, such as sugar, cream, fried food, etc., or eat too much, the calorie intake may increase, thus increasing the risk of obesity. In addition, if porridge is a part of the diet, and the overall diet structure is unbalanced and lack of sufficient exercise, it can also lead to weight gain. Therefore, porridge itself is not the cause of obesity. The key is how to match ingredients and maintain a balanced diet and moderate exercise. Eating a moderate amount of simple and light porridge can be used as part of a healthy diet and help maintain weight. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.